Hey everybody, it's Nikki the Baby Whisperer coming at you with pro tip number 4, breastfeeding pro tip number 4. Go back and check out the other ones. Here, this one's really simple and basic. Really simple and basic. Feed your baby at the early signs of hunger. It's much easier. So recognizing hunger signs is really important. But if you don't know what those early signs of hunger are, what happens is your baby starts to cry. And a crying, hangry baby does not latch as easily and as well as a baby who is just starting to kind of feel a little hungry. Early signs of hunger are super simple to recognize, and once you realize what they are, those are the ones I need you to respond to. But keep in mind that if your baby is separate from you or away from you, you may not see these until the crying happens, and then you might have a battle to get your sweet baby to breastfeed. An early sign of hunger in those first, especially 6 weeks of life, is just your baby's eyes starting to open. Babies truly only wake to eat. That's why they wake in those first 6 weeks. Another sign is them starting to kind of look around. Another sign. That's a subtle sign. Another sign, licking the air. You'll see their little tongue start to feel things in the air. Early sign. Now a mid sign, which if you paid attention, all those other signs were already there, is they're starting to kind of get their hands in their mouth. Maybe make some noises. That's a mid sign, because the next sign that's coming is crying. And I don't really want anyone to wait until their baby cries to feed them. Those early signs and that mid sign is what we call feeding on demand. That is their demand to eat. And so when you hear people talking about feeding on demand, that's what demand is. I hope this helps.